Hey guys, welcome back. Now, in this section, we're going to be looking at three spreadsheets which I've designed and called life management tools. Now, these are spreadsheets that I use in my life that help me manage numerous things. The first is the holiday planner. Now, this helps me calculate things for like a holiday, any expenses, and all you have to do is insert the expenses under the appropriate headings, which you can eventually choose for yourself, and Excel will automatically calculate your expenses over the entire trip. All right, so really useful. Now, I've included graphs, as you can see, which show you how your expenses behave over time, and also a chart which shows you where you spend the most money. Okay, so where is this useful? Well, when you're going on a trip, there is nothing worse than going on a trip and getting there and going, oh my gosh, I don't have enough money. Or getting back from your trip and saying, oh, I spent $10,000 more than I should have. Okay, nothing worse. So this will give you a heads up of how much your trip's going to cost you and how you have to distribute your funds. Okay, and this will just give you peace of mind, knowing that when you go on holiday, you have enough money, and when you get back, you haven't overspent. That's what we want, peace of mind. That's what you're going to be paying for. So the next one is the financial planner. Now, this one is extremely useful, and I encourage everyone to have some sort of version of this for your entire life. Now, what this does is it stores your income and your expenses and calculates how you're progressing with your savings. I use this and I look at this every couple of days. I have my own version that I've designed and custom designed to myself. And what it allows you to do is, again, peace of mind. There's nothing scarier for me than getting a message next week and saying your rent is due and you don't have enough money. That's terrifying. Or an emergency happens and you need money fast and you don't have any money because you didn't know where you spent it. This gives you back control of your funds, knowing where your money's going, when it's going there, and knowing, there's nothing better than getting to the end of the year completely in control of your funds and realizing, hey, I just saved $50,000 this year because I managed it right. That's what you're getting. That's what you're getting. Very powerful. So as you can see, we have graphs as well. You can see where your expenses distribute and where you put the most money and so on. Okay, so very, very powerful stuff. Now the last one is a little bit of fun. And some of you may think, oh, it's a little bit of fun, but this has become so useful in my life that it's actually saved me headaches. Okay, now what I call this tool is the what's for dinner tool or the random dinner generator tool. Okay, now a common problem I have, and I know a lot of people have, is when they get home, they have to try and figure out what to eat for dinner. And you're stuck there going, oh, do I feel like chicken? Do I feel like pork? Do I feel like noodles? And so on. And it's just like an added thing that you just really don't want to worry about. So what I've designed is a spreadsheet that will automatically select a random dinner for you. So all you have to do is say yes or no, pretty much. So what I've also done is introduce VBA coding. So why have I done this? Now, I wanted to give you guys a taste of what you're in for Excel, the amazing things you'll eventually be able to do. Okay, if you're ambitious enough and you're driven enough, this is the cool stuff you'll be able to do. Now, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Application, and all that means is a code. Okay, and a code sort of like a recipe for dinner. You follow one at a time, but instead of you following it, the computer follows it. And by the end, all you have to say to the computer, I want this for dinner, and the computer looks up the recipe, cooks the whole thing for you, and serves it on your plate, and you're done. You didn't have to do anything. That's what VBA coding is. Very powerful. So the way this works is you put in all your food, how many it serves, how long it takes to prepare, how long it takes to cook it, and so on. I think there's 30 slots in what I've designed. And then when you're ready, all you do is you press the What's for Dinner button at the very top, and the random number generator will pick a number for you and tell you what's for dinner. And if that's something you like, go nuts, have dinner. But if it's not something you like, press it again and get a different one. So really, really cool tool. And hopefully this will get you guys pretty intrigued and pretty inspired to want to learn more about Excel. Okay? Well, that's it for the life management tools, and I hope you guys found something there that you can really apply to your own lives. All right, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon.